Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hulu is not available in your region. For this, all you need is a extension. Okay, it's free. You can get this on Chrome. It's basically a VPN. You can come to your browser, open up a new tab and search for this VPN, Hotspot Shield Chrome. Just search this up, right? This is the Chrome web store. You just want to come here and install this one, add this to your Chrome. Then once it's added, let me show you, it's right here. What this does, it sets your location to the United States, for example. So I come here and I just toggle this extension on, click to connect, right? Just go ahead and do this. And then here you can see, let me go ahead and open this up again. It's connected to the United States. So with this, you're able to sign up and use Hulu, because once you do sign up, you are able to set your home location, right? And within 30 days, you can set up your home network and it shows you the channels you can use with your Hulu Live subscription. Just save that location. Yeah, you can, of course, use a VPN and go ahead and utilize this. Start your free trial if you need to. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. Make sure you get this extension. It is free. Over 1 million people have used it. Look at these ratings, right? That is how you fix it, basically with a VPN. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.